Hello guys, down here at RS today. We're actually just out in the bush not far from work. We've done a bit of a big fit out on this Amarok. Essentially it's a white Amarok, doesn't look anything out of the box unusual, but when you look underneath she's got quite some good stuff going on. We'll start up the front here. There's a heap of stuff to go through on this, so we're going to go through step by step. At the moment we're going to deal with the front of the car. At the moment what you see here directly is the Rival bar. Rival bar, Russian bar, plate aluminium, super strong. They're just in an awesome bar. It's a nice little setup where you've it's not a traditional bar, but the strength to protect your vitals through the section through the middle here, where the winch is mounted. Your gusseting through the wing means this is an exceptionally strong bar for what it is. Gives you the ability to mount your winch, your driving lights. You also can mount an aerial. They're a great bit of kit, and you're keeping the weight down so we can set up your suspension to be more comfortable and ride a lot better. We've coupled this one with a Runva XP11 premium winch with synthetic rope. It's a nice bit of gear. We've also got the Perception driving lights. They are the carbon 9-inch, really designed to punch out distance. If you want to see the distance specs on those, jump on our website. They're really good. We've also coupled with a 40-inch light bar on the top of this truck. That's slung underneath the Rhino rack, the backbone. That's a real good bit of kit as well. The combination of those two lights gives awesome side lights and great penetration right down the road. The other thing, while we're up the front here, you'll see we've got a high flow grill mod we've done on this one as well to get maximum airflow through the middle, and you'll see the transmission cooler in the inside there. That just as a setup to give you a lot more airflow through the front of the car and keep the transmission cooler, which works a lot better, particularly when you're working at hard towing. Okay, so we've popped the bonnet open here just to have a look at a couple of things under the bonnet. Now, there's nothing super special to see under the bonnet. A couple of our normal products that we do all the time. Process West catch can, they're very popular. Stainless steel filter, machined alloy, really nice bit of kit. That one's popped on there. We've also done a diesel pre-filter to obviously just the fuel manager system. Just keeps any moisture out of the diesel and also gives you much better filtration than the standard system, so great for the outback runs and that sort of stuff. We've also got an air on board diff breather kit that's coupled into the transfer case and the transfer case and the gearbox as well to get the maximum on there. A few bits and pieces like driving light wiring and stuff, but ultimately there's nothing special under there. Now, before going too far past this spot, while we're in the engine department, we've coupled this one with a Safari snorkel. It's just the V-spec snorkel, so it's not the R-Max V-spec, so a little bit more low-key, gives plenty of clean air, which is really, really good. It's probably also a good opportunity since we're talking engine, is with clean air delivery. We've also maximised the power with a custom 4-wheel dyno tune on this vehicle. V6 Amaroks are awesome to tune. We do them in-house on our own 4-wheel dyno, and it is an awesome bit of gear. That allows us to get around about 200 kilowatts at the wheels, just shy. This vehicle is running on 33-inch tyres. We're just under 200 kilowatts at the wheels and around about 6 to 650 newton meters of torque. For a touring rig like this, that's awesome bit of gear. Well worth coming down to RS and checking out some of the performance stuff we do on the Amaroks and all other models as well, but this one is really good. Okay, if we just pop our heads under the front here, this has actually got the Black Edition B60 Bilstein suspension. We've worked quite closely with Bilstein in the development of these guys. Top of the range shock absorber, you will not beat it as far as longevity and performance in an Amarok. More oil capacity, bigger shaft size, high quality coils, all custom and hand built here in Sydney, so they're an awesome bit of gear. We've also coupled with the B60s on the back, and this car handles like a dream and it rides good. It's up obviously that 45 to 50 odd mil and just handles the ability to get those extreme all-terrain tyres underneath, and they're also on the fuel vectors, which is really nice. While we're in this area, Southern Cross Fabworks rock sliders. Obviously protecting the sills on an Amarok is well worth doing. It gives you plenty of protection for ramping over in the off-road application. They're a great rock slider. You can get them with the checker plate top, angled up or flat like those ones are there. Very nice bit of kit. Also, while we're just here, MSA mirrors, a really neat looking mirror, great for your towing ability. They've got a double action, so these guys will just slide in and out, so you can actually see there by sliding one step out gives you a little bit of extension, and then you can roll the top out to get maximum extension. Can get them in chrome and black. There's a couple of different variations depending on the model you have, but we do have them in stock down at AIS. Okay guys, come around the back, we can check out the back of this vehicle. Just like the front, we've actually coupled the back up with the Rival rear bar. Now the Rival rear bar, same application, you've got a nice lightweight plate aluminium rear bar. Tow bars attached, allows the mounting points for your Henderson plugs and your trailer plug harness. You've got recovery points there, sensor mounts, and obviously enhanced reverse lights. So it's a really nice bar. Up from there, we give you a look at the Rhino rack. This is just a legged rack version for the back half on the RSI canopy. Customer supplied his own RSI canopy. We just fitted it out with the racking and all the other bits and pieces. The front Rhino rack is a backbone system. It's actually got a solar panel, red arc solar panel mounted on the front to run the battery system, which we'll come back to in a second. And obviously that allows us to mount that lovely awning. Now this awning, we'll open it up in a second. We've actually wired up some LED lighting inside the awning. We'll open it up and go through that. One of the exciting parts is the lithium battery and red vision red arc system that we've put in this. So we'll open her up and show you inside. It's a great little bit of gear.